If you're trying to launch a game and keep getting the error unable to initialize Steam, please restart the game from Steam. Don't worry, this is a very common issue on PC. In this video, I'll walk you through multiple working fixes, starting from the easiest and moving to advanced ones. Follow the steps carefully, and your game should launch normally again. Let's get started. Method 1. Launch the game through Steam, non-Steam game fix. Open the Steam client. Click Games in the top menu. Select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Click Browse and open the folder where your game is installed. Select the games.exe file, then click Open. Click Add selected program. Go back to your Steam library and launch the game from Steam. This forces Steam to initialize correctly with the game. If the error still appears, move to the next method. Method 2. Run Steam and the game as administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Now go to the game's installation folder. Right-click the games.exe file. Select Properties Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch the game from Steam. Method 3. Restart Steam services. Important. Press Windows+R. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find Steam client service. Right-click it and choose Restart. Also restart. Steam networking service. Steam web helper if running. After restarting these services, reopen Steam and try launching the game again. Method 4. Verify game files. Very effective. Open Steam library. Right-click the affected game. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Steam will automatically fix missing or corrupted files. Method 5. Check Steam online mode. Sometimes this error appears if Steam is offline. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Make sure Go Online is selected. Restart Steam once. Method 6. Disable conflicting overlays. Disable overlays that interfere with Steam initialization. Disable. Discord overlay. NVIDIA GeForce overlay. MSI Afterburner/RivaTuner. Restart your PC. Launch Steam first, then the game. Method 7. Firewall and antivirus exception. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Steam and your game executable are allowed on both private and public networks. If using third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it and test. Method 8. Repair Steam installation, advanced fix. Press Windows+R. Paste this command. Steam ///flushconfig. Press Enter. Log back into Steam. Try launching the game again. This resets Steam configuration without deleting games. And that's it, friends. One of these methods will fix the unable to initialize Steam error for sure. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and
to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming